Hi, I'm Chad from the MMC Digital Lab, and today we're going to go over how to use Adobe Rush for editing video. This free Adobe app comes already pre-downloaded on your house-side iPads and is super useful for easily making professionally edited videos. The first thing you want to do when you open Adobe Rush is to import your clips into the sequence. You can do this when creating a new project or press the plus button at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Here you have options with what you want to import, including pictures, video, or audio. In the timeline, you can scroll through your content and change the aspect ratio. In the bottom left-hand corner, you will see some icons. The scissors button cuts a clip or audio section where the playhead is. The next button duplicates the selected content. The trash can is for deleting something from the timeline. Below that, you can expand the audio section, switch to a more complex timeline, or select whether to adjust one clip or multiple clips at once. In the Graphics tab, you can add graphics like titles and lower thirds, and you can edit their size, color, and text in the Graphic tab as well. In the Effects tab, you can add transitions to your clips and customize their duration. In the Color tab, you can add presets to your video to make it look more professional, or adjust the colors manually. In the Speed tab, you can adjust the speed of a clip or part of a clip by choosing the range. You can then adjust the range speed and ramp the speed if you want. You can change the ramp duration and select if the clip should maintain the audio pitch. In the Audio tab, you can change the volume of your clips and change the label type of audio. In the Transform tab, you can change the positions of your clips as well as the rotation and opacity. You can also scale your clips, and if you go to the Advanced section, you can crop your clips to specific dimensions. Finally, when you're ready to export, we can go to Share and Export, and we'll save to your camera roll. Now you know the basics of editing Premiere Rush. Thank you.